Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install our ECCPP wheel hub spacer on a Honda Civic using the tools you have in your trunk. Here at ECCPP, we have various wheel spacers to attach to your vehicle depending on your preference. We have this black wheel spacer without the center ring, or if you like the center ring, we have this one here. The center ring allows for the wheel spacer to fit perfectly to your vehicle and allows for a precise extension of the axle hub and ensures precise wheel fitment and eliminates the risk of vibrations. If you don't like the thinner option, we also have this thicker 2-inch wheel spacer if you like your tire to protrude a bit more. We also have a silver option with the same silver center collar. Or if you don't like the center collar, we also have this particular wheel spacer, which is the one we're going to be installing today. First, we begin by loosening up the tire. I pre-loosened it to make this a bit easier. But once you get them nice and loose, you can go ahead and start lifting it using your jack. Once you lift it, you can go ahead and remove the tire. You can unscrew the loose bolts with your hand to make it easier. Set the tire aside. After we remove the tire, we're going to go ahead and spray some of this rust neutralizer to eliminate the rust, allowing the wheel spacer to attach properly. Once you remove the bolts from the spacer, you can go ahead and place your spacer onto the wheel hub and use the same bolts that were included to tighten it up. You can hand tighten them at first, just to make it easier on you. Once they're on, we'll use the torque wrench to completely tighten them. Once they're all hand tightened, you can go ahead and grab your torque wrench and start tightening them. Make sure they're nice and tight on there. Once they're nice and tight, you can go ahead and grab your tire. Roll it on over. Get this out of the way here. Once your tire is placed, you can go ahead and hand tighten the bolts. Once they're on, you can go ahead and use a torque wrench to completely tighten them. Once it's on, you can go ahead and tighten the bolt completely, just to make sure. And once you're finished, you can go ahead and lower the car and you're set to go.